Iran's handicraft is one of the most significant artistic industries that has deep roots in the culture and the history of this land. Iranian handicraft has a very wide range of diversity and comes first in the world with a wide gap with other handicraft industries. Iranian art and architecture reflect a 5,000-year-old cultural tradition with a significant development over history. Numerous artists have produced beautiful items that are known throughout the world. The most famous Iranian handicrafts include the Persian carpet, minakari or carvings on silver, miniature, khatamkari or inlaid work, and qalamzani, which is embossed and metal work. Iran has many ancient crafts. The extent and breadth of these branches can be divided into several subclasses, which indicate the diversity and flourishing of the level of traditional arts and its roots in the rich history of Iran.